I can't even see that out there. It's dark.
Here we go.
Why are you jumping off the porch? Don't.
I can't do it. Want to see me?
No. Well, that's different. What are you doing?
A backflip.
I'm not doing a backflip.
What? What?
I can't.
I can't do a backflip?
No.
Huh?
You're stuck inside close to me. I can't even see you.
So I can't do a backflip? Huh?
Stop. Here.
It's recording.
Yeah. Stop.
You're gonna put this on the internet?
I don't know. It's raining.
I know.
And lightning.
I know. Ask Dr. Celeste everything that everybody knows. She'll give you the answer. The good answer.
What are you talking about?
What? Do something.
Like what?
Come on, Celeste. Come on.
Like 1 o'clock. Doing?
Something.
Like what? It's raining.
What haven't you said already? It's raining. Yeah. So?
There's a spider web right there.
Right there?
Yes.
Huh.
Don't get close to it.
Why not?
I don't want my camera in that.
Why? Why not?
Stop following me.
It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. Shut up.
Shut up. Oh, you should have got that.
Why? Was that?
Yeah.
Oh. Just because lightning doesn't strike in the exact same place.
I know. I'm just watching. That was awesome.
I saw it before.
That was awesome.
I'm dying.
I'm not dying.
Hey, watch.
What?
Right
I
here.
want to miss the lightning.
So? No, you're not. Watch.
I can't even see.
Watch, I'm gonna
Dark.
come right here. Over the plants, over that.
Okay, there's plants there.
What?
Okay. Make me nervous. Hey, Matthew. I hope you know that the dog poops in that side of the yard.
What, your puppy?
Yes.
I'm gonna go kill it.
No. I'm looking for lightning.
The crap's totally melted because of the
Ew.
rain.
Just stop it. Get off me. Oh, look, the interstate. You can't see it. Come on, lightning. I want to catch it. That's really cool. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, I just saw something. Stop. 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 I'm looking for lightning. Stop.
How do you look for lightning?
I'm not looking
there's
for
lightning right there.
where? That's not lightning.
Hear that lightning right there?
That is not
How
lightning.
can you look for lightning?
Oh crap! I missed it.
As soon as the lightning goes, you can't do this. Because it's already passed. It's not like going to be like...
I know. Crap! I'm turning this off. Stop.
See you later, guys. See you later.
Ah. What are you doing?